The perfect start to a trip for us is going out and having a good breakfast. It gives us an excuse to start celebrating early, and besides, we're going to be gone for a month. There's no food left anywhere in the house.
Went at a place called Sarah.
Hey, fella. You go hang out with Craig over in Florida? You're not sure what to make of anything, huh?
We're headed to Florida, waiting for our Uber.
Woohoo!
Yay! Warm weather, can't wait. On our way to Florida, we're on the plane.
Good dude.
People movers in Atlanta. Awesome. We made it. Woohoo! Pretty much the first thing we do every time we get to Florida after dropping off our stuff at my parents' house is to head straight to the beach. Don't touch the water.
It's kind of angry today. I guess storms, you know? Man, I wish I had my swimsuit. This would be awesome. Just body surfing this. First, beach, ocean, salt water.
There he goes.
It's warm. Wow. It's super warm. Yeah, I mean, can you feel it?
Let's see. Here it comes. Woo! Oh, that feels so good. So good. Woo! Almost got wet. First beach walk. Gotta look down and watch out for man-o-war because they're all over the place, apparently.
I know. Ah, so nice.
We're wearing shorts, we're barefoot on the beach, my legs are wet from the ocean, it's not cold. This is fantastic.
I wish I had my swimsuit because there's actually waves out right now.
He's so happy, he's skipping about it. You excited?
Yeah! Sand in my feet! Awesome!
Sand on the toe. The original pier at Juno Beach was built in 1950, 1.6 miles away from the structure you see today. It was 550 feet long and was a local attraction for both locals and visitors. In 1984, 20-foot waves crashed over it in a Thanksgiving storm, and eventually it was destroyed by the authorities in 1985. This new 990-foot pier was built in 1990. Café con leche. Sugary, creamy, not really creamy, milky, coffee-y goodness. So good.
I know, so much sugar.
So much sugar, so good. Where are we?
I don't know, that's what I asked you.
We're in West Palm Beach.
Yeah, we're at, what is this?
This is the Sandi, the sandcastle or something to
Down
that
here
effect.
Clematis Street?
We're on Clematis and US 1. Across the street.
That was Okeechobee.
This is US 1.
Oh, okay.
It's US 1. There's a Ferris wheel. There's a sandcastle that's decorated for Christmas. Let's check it out. There's a big old sandcastle that's lit up right over there. It's kind of fun. Christmas Florida style.
Are you gonna run through the water?
No, it's cold.
What? You're a party pooper.
Totally.
I think you can do it.
You go right ahead.
Can you make it? That would suck if I like.
Go for it. Do it. Now you gotta come back. Hurry up.
Kind of fun. December out here in shorts. not shorts, but t-shirt, tank top.
Every Christmas, there's a sandcastle sculpture competition in downtown West Palm. Always entertaining to look at.
Warm, right?
Let's see it, babe. First jump in the pool.
See?
How is it? Refreshing?
Oh yeah, totally.
I managed to get Matt out of bed early so we can go catch the sunrise on the beach. It's really, really dark outside, and I don't think he's quite awake yet. So we're gonna go get some pastries and some coffee, go watch the sunrise on a beach. Well, we're hanging out on the beach for sunrise. Not sure Matt's super happy about it. Not sure you can hear anything I'm saying, but it sure is pretty out here. Kind of windy. Standing on the beach, listening to the soothing crash of the ocean waves was really a great way to embrace some calm before the craziness of the holidays took over.
Cheers.
How's your dagger?
It's actually really good. I have a brain freeze right now. Hey babe.
Hey.
How's it going today?
Good. We're just at the beach. It's a beautiful day. Now we're at Guanabana, which is probably my favorite. Drinking a beer. It's a good day.
Check out that view. Right on the canal. Awesome.
This is my favorite part of this place. We've been coming here for years. You can just come back here with your drink, watch the boats float by, and take in the view. Perfect. I am not entirely convinced it gets much better than this. Beautiful day, hanging out, reading a book. We went to the beach this morning for sunrise, which was spectacular. Now I'm hanging out in my parents' backyard, which has a super comfortable place to sit and a pool. In our next video, we stick around West Palm and visit a beach with some awesome rock formations, explore a lighthouse, and find the best key lime pie we've ever had.